Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can enable live view on your Google Maps. So let's get right into it. I'll be using this help article to show you guys because I'm having some trouble with my live view on my device. For some reason, it just doesn't want to work. It's just grayed out no matter what I try. So I'm gonna need to use this guide, so I hope you guys can understand. So I'll be covering these Android instructions. They're literally the same as the iPhone and iPad instructions, so I'll just be explaining this. And the first step is, of course, to open up your app and then locate a location where you want to go, either in the search bar or tap it on the map. It doesn't really matter. Then you want to tap the directions button and then select walking mode in the travel mode toolbar above the map. Then in the bottom corner, you can tap live view, which has the sort of camera icon, and then live view will be enabled. Then you need to follow the on-screen instructions to help Maps find your location. And once Maps knows where you are, you'll get directions through the camera view on your screen. However, they do suggest that you put your phone away once you know where to go, simply to prolong your battery and for safety. You should point your phone camera at buildings and signs across the street instead of trees and people, so that Google Maps can locate where you are precisely. And yeah, once you cover all of that, your phone will vibrate when you reach every navigation step or destination, so you can check it after you arrive and see where to go, so you don't have to be glued to your phone constantly. And then when you want to return to live view, just tilt your phone to a vertical position or press the live view button, and that is pretty much all there is to it. This is not intended for use in a moving vehicle, so you can only use it while walking. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.